So today I wanted to talk about how do we drill a hole centered in the center of a hinge, or in this case, a magnet. So when you hang in a door, you want to get that hole perfectly centered in the middle. And it can be difficult. However, they make a tool called the self-centering bit like this, where this tip has a little bit of a bevel on it. And when you take it and put it into the center of this magnet, it actually will find the center perfectly. And when we drill it, we get a centered hole, so when the screw goes in, it doesn't go off to the side at all, and it'll fit perfectly in there. We use it a lot for our hinges and our boxes here at school. When kids are making a box, we'll use a self-centering bit, and there's different sizes depending on the screw. Remember, you always want to check the size of the bit by the shank of the screw, not the threads, but that inside shank. So you'll hold your drill bit up in front of your screw, whatever size that you need, and make sure that the drill bit is only the size of the shank, and you'll be able to see the threads on either side of your drill bit. Okay, and you want to match your self-centering bit the same way. So when you do this, this has a little bit of a spring. As you go in, it'll only drill a certain depth, and you can see the size of the drill bit that I'm using is just perfect for these screws. So what I'll do is I'll take my magnet, I'll put it down into my pocket. These are one of my hopper toppers that I've created. These go on pellet grills. And I'll take, and because this is magnetic, I got to kind of hold my magnet down. You don't have to do that when you're drilling hinges. And we'll go down and perfectly centered. I'm using my Work Pro drill, which works just great, like all my other drills, really. But it's really nice and cheap. You can find that down in my shop. And I drill straight down and then right back up again, and we'll take another magnet, put that one over here, same thing. Drills to a perfect depth. I'll blow out my sawdust and change out my drill. I was in second gear for drilling. I can change that back over to first gear, get my screw, and drive that right in flush. So you'll find the self-centering drill bits in my shop, as well as the Work Pro drills. Check them out. And that is your tip of the day.